Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you everything about Python strings. As you see, I'm using the Visual Studio Code because it allows me to use the Jupyter freely. So let's start. And first let's define a string. Okay, we define a string like this. We define a name and then equal, after that double quotation or single quotation, it doesn't matter for now, and we put our string inside that. For example, I want to write apple. So when you print type string, the name of our string, and play this cell, we see that it returns class str, which means that our variable is a string. Okay, and this is apple. Okay, imagine we have two strings. I define it as a new equals to, okay, for example, orange. And let's see what if we plus these two strings. Let's print string plus new one. The result will be the first line. It prints our first string. I think we should put it as a comment. And now we can see that it connected our two strings to each other without any spaces. So, but imagine a situation that you have a sentence, a multiple line sentence, long sentence. What should we do? I call it a sentence equals to. Okay, you have to put 3 double quotations and arithmetic row, okay, and write everything you want. For example, I love fruits a lot, and again 3 double quotations. You can write many things, and also I like banana, oh Jesus Christ, banana and cherry, but my favorite one is apple. You see that this variable is string 2 in multiple lines. Things that you cannot do with double quotations or single quotations, you have put all these 3 double quotations to each other to have longer strings. Okay, and also strings somehow are arrays. For example, let me print me the sentence. Okay, you can define which object of the array you want. For example, I define 0. Let me see what it returns. Oh, it returns nothing. 1, I, 2, because it splits all the things that you write inside your string in parts. So the reason that it written for the 0 and the 2, it returns me spaces because the zeros, the first object and the third object inside my string are white spaces, so it don't consider them as characters and don't show them. So 3, it must be I again. I love, it's O, and it's splits whole the text into just characters. So the next one, we wanted to see, okay, how many characters do we have inside it. We can use the print and len with the len function of, for example, sentence. Okay, it returns 85. It means that we have 85 characters inside this string. It also counts the white spaces. So the next one, we want to check if there is something, if there is a specific word inside our character. For example, let me try a new thing. My str, it's a new string that I write. Okay, I love traveling with airplane. So we write print. Okay, for example, we want to check whether the whether the airplane word is inside our string or not. So we can say, okay, airplane is in my str. So I think we may face problems. Yes, we don't need is in my str. It said true because airplane is inside my string. But let's see something that's not inside the str. Apple. It returns false. The result of this command is true and false, the boolean values, and you can use these for your for example loops or for conditional things. For example, if airplane in my str, for example, print airplane is in your string. Okay, check that. Yes, airplane is in your string. And for the checking this whether anything is not inside our string, we can simply use not in. Okay, for let's put it apple, and here again apple is not. And as you can see, it returns apple is not in your string because we don't have any apples in this string. Again, these commands answer will be true and false, the booleans answers. Okay, let's just comment them. Okay, and the next one, I want to say you that okay, now we can slice our string. For example, I wanted to print, let's just create another cell. Okay, here for example I want to say okay, my str. Okay, here you can define the start point of your string that you want it to be printed, and the end at the end point. For example, I wanted to start it from the third for the fourth character to the, I don't know, 8th. Let's see. Loved. Where is it? Here. Oft. It returns this. Or for example, you want it to be, for example, from this third value to the end of our string. Love traveling with airplane. Or for example, from the start to the, I don't know, 12th, for example. I love travel. Okay, so our strings are slicing. So I want all of the things inside my string to be uppercase. What should I do? I write my str dot upper with parentheses. So let's print it, yeah. Print, oh Jesus, my str dot up. As you can see, all of these, all of our words are becoming uppercase. And how about lowercase? Simply we have to write, or let me define a new word with lowercase. My str1, oh Jesus Christ, my str1 equals to I love eating pizza. Oh. And you wanted to show it with lowercase. Let's just print a free space between them and then print my str1 dot lower, and as you can see it returns all of these words in a lowercase. Imagine you wanna change or replace a single character inside your string with another thing. What should we do? Again, we print a free space, print our string name, for example my str1 dot replace. Okay, the first thing that you wanna to be replaced, for example I want it to be replaced with you. Okay, and when you print that, we can see that you love eating pizza. Oh, Jesus Christ. And each string, each I that you have inside your inside your string will be changed to this, to you. Each I, the first one is here, the first one is middle of eating, and the last one is in after the P in pizza. And you can see all of them are changed into you. Okay, the next one that for example we wanted to split all the characters that are inside our string. For example, I define A as a character, it's equal to my str1 dot split. Okay, inside this double quotations you have to write, okay, in from which, for which character you want it to be split. For example, if you have commas inside your string, you can write it here, comma. So when you ask it to print it, you can see that, okay, I love is a side and comma is another side. But for example, if you just put the white space, and let me put a free space here. Okay, now you can see, okay, I is a single character, love eating pizza. And let's see the type of our A. It's gonna be list, yeah, and it returns you a list. You have to put everything that you want it to be be a measure to split your string. Okay, next one.